so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that damn bitches on the line, and you know.
Assalamualaikum and hi. Today our group will present for subject DPL20023, Principle and Practice of Transportation. Our group will present for shipment damage. Shipment damage refers to the harm of deterioration of goods during transportation, compromising their quality, integrity, or functionality. First is introduction. In the dynamic landscape of global transportation, a myriad of challenges and risks confront the industry, impacting stakeholders across the supply chain, from infrastructure vulnerabilities to regulatory complexities, and in the increasing demand for sustainable practice. The sector faces multi-phase issues. The demand strategic solution. The introduction will delve into the current issues and risks in the global transportation, exploring their implication on suppliers, carriers, shipments, the public and the government entities. As the industry navigates these challenges, it must foster innovation, collaboration, and adaptability to build a resilient and efficient global transportation network.
Next is current issue and rise in global transportation. First is transportation infrastructure and maintenance. Aging infrastructure in some regions may lead to poor route condition and increasing the risk of damage to shipments, or especially those sensitive to vibration and shocks. Number 2, natural disasters. Events like earthquakes, hurricanes, flood, and tsunami in dispute transportation routes and infrastructure, leading to potential damage to shipment industry. Number 3 is cargo depth and pricing. Creating a regions may be more prone to cargo theft or piracy, which poses and risk to shipment. This is especially relevant for maritime to transportation in some part of the world. Number 4 is inadequate packaging. Greatly affect a good and more susceptible to damage during transportation. In some cases, inadequate packaging may result from insufficient knowledge about the specific requirement for the type of transportation used. Number 5 is lack of visibility and tracking. Limited visibility into the location and condition of a shipment can make it challenging to respond quickly to potential issue. Real-time tracking and monitoring system can mitigate this risk. Number 6, custom regulatory complaints. Delay and damage can occur if a shipment are not in compliance with a custom regulation and other regulatory requirements. Change in regulation or expected custom issue can impact the smooth flow of the goods.
Now, I will explain about interpret the risk in transportation management. First, financial impact. Shipment damage can result in financial losses due to the cost of damaged goods, potential legal claims, and the expense of replacing or repairing items. This financial impact can be significant, affecting the overall profitability of the supply chain. Second is reputation damage. Consistently experiencing shipment damage can harm a company's reputation. Customer may lose trust in the reliability of the business, leading to a decline in customer satisfaction and loyalty. Third is operational disruptions. Damage to shipment can cause disruption in the supply chain, leading to delays in production and delivery schedules. This in turn may affect customer commitment and lead to increased operational costs. Fourth, supply chain inefficiency. Shipment damage can contribute to inefficiency in the supply chain, requiring additional time and resources for problem resolution. And inefficiency may also arise from the need to reorder, repackage, or return damaged goods. 5. Increased insurance costs. Frequent shipment damage may result in higher insurance premium as insurers adjust rates to reflect the increased risk. This can add to the overall cost of doing business and impact the financial health of the company. 6. Customer dissatisfaction. Shipment damage can lead to dissatisfied customer who receive damaged or defective product. Customer dissatisfaction may result in returns, cancellation, and negative reviews, further affecting the company reputation.
Next, let's discuss the issue by showing the impact. Number 1 is supplier. The impact for supplier is reputation damage. Consistent shipment damage can harm the supplier reputation, potentially resulting in decreased trust from customer and other partners. Number 2 is carrier. The impact for carrier is operational disruption. Frequent shipment damage can disrupt carrier operation, leading to delays, additional handling, and increased resources allocation for problem resolutions. Number 3 is shipment. The impact for shipment is operational delays. Shipment damage can cause delays in transportation process, affecting the overall supply chain timeline and potentially leading to missed deadlines. Number 5 is public. The impact for public is product availability and quality. The public may experience reduced availability of certain products if damaged goods result in shortage. Additionally, damaged product may compromise quality, leading to dissatisfied consumers. Number 5 is government. The impact for government is public safety concern. If the damaged goods pose a risk to public safety, such as hazardous material, it can prompt government intervention, investigation, and stricter regulations. Next, let's discuss the appropriate solution to overcome the problem. Number 1 is supplier. The solution to overcome the problem is quality packaging. Suppliers should invest in high quality packaging materials and methods suitable for the specific nature of goods being transported. The proper packaging reduces the risk of damage during the transit. Number 2 is carrier. The solution for carrier is training and education. Carriers should ensure that their personnel are well trained in handling various types of goods. Proper training can minimize the risk of damage during loading, unloading, and transit. Number 3 is shipment. The solution for shipment is collaboration with carriers. Shippers should collaborate closely with carriers, sharing the information on the nature of goods, packaging specifications, and any special handling requirements. Number 4 is public. The solution for public is consumer education. Public awareness campaign can educate consumers about the importance of proper handling and care for the shipment goods. This may include guidelines on receiving and inspecting packaging and reporting damaged items properly. Number 5 is government. The solution for government is public awareness and reporting system. Government can establish channel for the public to report damaged or unsafe shipment. This information can be used to identify trends and address systematic issues.
The last one is conclusion. In conclusion, damaged shipment in global transportation presents significant challenges, risking financial losses, operational disruptions, reputational harm, and environmental issues for stakeholders. Addressing this complex problem requires a collaborative, responsible, and proactive approach through multi-phase solution. Stakeholders must stay vigilant, adapt to global challenges, and embrace technology and sustainability for a resilient transportation network. Taking collective responsibility and implementing solutions can minimize shipment damage, fostering a more reliable and efficient global transportation system.
Recent developments have put supply chains, businesses, workers and consumers at risk. Transport and logistics companies are particularly vulnerable in trying to keep up with increasing demand, labour shortages, health and safety concerns, and rapid advances in technology. But transport logistics insurance package from your insurance broker can mitigate breaks in the supply chain, misdirected freight, and other commercial risks. The types of cover available are commercial vehicle, which protects cars, trucks, buses, utes, and other vehicles you use for business. Property, offering protection from damage to buildings and facilities. Warehousing, coverage against property and stock damage and public liability. Goods in transit, which protects your business against financial loss if goods are lost, damaged or destroyed while they are in transit. Plus management liability, cybersecurity, business interruption, carrier's liability and professional indemnity covers.